Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today we will start chapter number 17, that is perimeter and area. Okay, we will start chapter number 17, perimeter and area. What is perimeter? The perimeter of a closed figure is the total length of its boundary. Okay, perimeter is the total length of its boundary. I explain you with an example. Suppose I have to find the perimeter of this closed figure, then see, I have explained you that perimeter of a closed figure is the total length of its boundary. Means if I start from A, then I'll reach at B, then C, and after that I came back at this position again. So this total length will be the perimeter. Okay, means perimeter of this figure will be AB plus BC, length of AB, length of BC plus length of CA. मीन्स पहले मैं A से B तक जाती हूँ, फिर B से C तक जाती हूँ और फिर C से वापस A पर पहुँचती हूँ. This total length is the perimeter of a figure. Okay, so perimeter of this figure will be 6 centimeter plus 4 centimeters plus 5 centimeters, which is 6 plus 4 is 10 and 10 plus 5 is 15. So perimeter will be 15 centimeters. Okay. Suppose I have to find the perimeter of this figure. Perimeter means I have to find the length of boundary of this figure. Okay. So boundary कैसे निकालेंगे हम? Suppose अगर मैं A से start हो रही हूँ तो पहले मैं A से B तक जाऊँगी, फिर B से C, फिर C से D और वापस मैं A पर पहुँच रही हूँ D से. तो this total length is the perimeter of the figure. Okay. So perimeter of this figure will be length of side AB, then length of BC plus length of CD plus length of DA. Okay. So what will be the perimeter? AB is 3 centimeter, BC is 5 centimeters, CD is 6 centimeters and DA is 4 centimeters. So it will be 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14 and 14 plus 4 is 18. So it will be 18 centimeters. So perimeter of this figure will be 18 centimeters. हमने फिगर का पेरीमीटर निकाला कैसे? हमने क्या किया, सारी लाइन सेगमेंट्स की लेंथ को प्लस कर दिया. ओके, वी हैव एडेड द लेंथ ऑफ लाइन सेगमेंट्स ऑफ द फिगर. सो what is perimeter? Perimeter is sum of the lengths of the line segments forming the figure. Okay, perimeter is sum of the lengths of the line segment forming the figure. If I have to find the perimeter of this figure, then what we do? See, all the sides are equal and I have explained you that perimeter is sum of the lengths of the line segment forming the figure. Okay, perimeter is length of the boundary, or you can say sum of the lengths of the line segments forming the figure. So what will be the perimeter of this figure? This figure perimeter will be 3 centimeters plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We will add all the lengths of the sides. Okay, so can I write 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 as 3 multiplied by 4, or you can say 4 multiplied by 3, because 3 is 4 times. Okay, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 4 times 3. Fine, so it will be 4 multiplied by 3, which is 12 centimeter. So from this we can say that perimeter of square, perimeter of square क्या होगा? Perimeter square क्या होता है? जिसकी सारी की सारी sides equal होती हैं, and in this case also all the sides were equal. So perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. जब भी आपको स्क्वायर का पेरीमीटर निकालना है तो उसका फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड. और अगर आपको पेरीमीटर स्क्वायर का दिया हुआ है और साइड निकालनी है तो आपका फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? पेरीमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 4. Okay, if you have to find the side of square, then it will be perimeter divided by 4, and if you have to find the perimeter of square, it will be 4 multiplied by side. If we have to find the perimeter of this figure, then how we will find? See, I have explained you that perimeter is sum of length of the line segments forming the figure. So it will be 4 centimeters plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 centimeters. Okay. See, 4 is 2 times. 4 2 times are, so we can write 2 multiplied by 4, or 2 भी आपका कितनी बार आ रहा है? 2 टाइम्स आ रहा है. So we can write it as 2 multiplied by 2. Okay. So 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, which is 12 centimeter. Fine. अब देखो ये फिगर कौन सी है? दिस इज अ रेक्टेंगल बिकॉज ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल. दिस इज लेंथ, दिस इज लेंथ, दिस इज ब्रेड्थ, दिस इज ब्रेड्थ. Opposite sides of rectangle are always equal, so this is a rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle will be, क्या हो जाएगा perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle will be 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth. Okay, perimeter of rectangle will be 2 multiplied by length plus 2 multiplied by breadth, or you can write it as 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Okay, because 2 is in this also and 2 is in this also, we can take 2 common and length plus breadth. अभी आया कैसे था? देखो ये लेंथ है, ये भी लेंथ है. लेंथ हमारी 2 टाइम्स है, ब्रेड्थ भी हमारी 2 टाइम्स है. ओके, सो रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर क्या हो जाएगा? 2 टाइम्स लेंथ and 2 times breadth, which is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. So this is perimeter of rectangle.